Tasking. So tasking, it's carrying a piece of work, especially a piece of work that someone pays you to do without employing you permanently. So basically, tasking, it's a way of making extra money. So here examples of some apps that you can earn free money through doing tasks. You can see Toloka, I have Complete, Simple Earn. Those are the types of apps you can earn through. You can see there are a lot of apps you can earn through doing simple tasks. See, so let me show you one app how you can work out with it. So this app is known as Free Cash. So like you can see, today you made $1.57. You just install apps, you get paid. There are offers you do, you get paid. There are tasks you do in time while you get paid, and you can cash out your money in form of crypto. You can see here, you can cash out in form of Dogecoin, Bitcoin, LT coin. You can also stake. There are also rewards in Free Cash. It's a good app, so I recommend you to download Free Cash and start working out on Free Cash.